On the 14th of November, Kaikōura and the North Canterbury area was struck by a magnitude 7.8 earthquake. The earthquake caused a lot of landslides and it really severely damaged both the road and rail network to Kaikōura.
Around about 80 to 90 slips came down over the rail north and south of Kaikōura and also on the state highway as well. So this caused major problems in terms of links north and south, but also it cut off Kaikōura for quite a few days. The three phases normally in one of these major events is emergency response, and then there's a recovery phase, and then there's a rebuild phase. So the first phase for us is really all about the emergency response. It's all about connecting communities. Our geotechnical team got heavily involved straight away. First light, we had a number of helicopters heading up to look at the damage around Kaikōura and also what response was required from them.
Basically, I was boots on the ground from the day after the earthquake.
We worked really hard in terms of bridge demolition, temporary culverts, and also removing many slips from the road there as well, and directing the contractors what to do in those particular locations, which involved sluicing and removal of lots of material.
NCTIR is the North Canterbury Transport Infrastructure Recovery Team, and it's an alliance between a group of contractors and our client partners who are New Zealand Transport Agency and KiwiRail. And then we have a group of consultants who provide the professional services, so that's where Opus comes into NCTIR.
We're extremely fortunate, myself and everybody else who works for WSP Opus, nationally and globally, that we work in various disciplines that they're aimed at actually helping various communities.
It's been a huge year since the earthquake. It's been really challenging, but also fantastic to see the people in Kaikōura really responding to having the road open and being connected to the rest of New Zealand again, seeing the tourists and just lifting the spirit of the community.